Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do an unboxing for the tattoo machine Easy P3. It's a wireless tattoo machine. Thanks to Suban for choosing us to do this collaboration. Thanks, Suban. I hope you like the video, okay? Here we have the sealed box. In this case, they send us the green one. We have the instructions in English version. This is the machine. As you can see, it has the adjustable stroke. It's a very nice feature because you can adjust the stroke for liner, shader, whatever you want. It comes with the charger. It has a Swiss motor, 5 to 12 volts, 10,000 RPMs. And you can adjust the stroke 2.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3.2, 3.6 and 4.0 millimeters. The weight is just 8 ounces. We're going to have the review too. We're going to make a big tattoo so we can test it. It has the 2000 milliamperes battery. I hope you like the video, guys, and just give us a like and subscribe, please.